Hey everyone, it's Adventure Link. How's it going? Well, as you can see, we got the drone, and it's another Friday. So, guess what it is? Drone adventures! Yay! And in today's episode, we're at a campsite. My friend Caroline, this is her campsite here. She's given me permission in advance to fly drones here, so, well, let's get started. And as I get started, if it was your birthday, congratulations and make it a good one. I want to say thank you in advance for supporting my channel and myself, be it by watching this video, sharing them, rating them, commenting on them, subscribing on them, hitting the bell button, donating to the medical bills, all links in the video description. Any amount helps, and as Games from the Grave would say, it helps to keep this channel and myself alive and undead. So, let's get started! Stop hitting the content creator, darn it! Go away from the content creator, please. I gotta stop this thing. Yeah, it's starting to go in the river here. Yeah, I'm like this dangerously close to the river. So yeah, I think the better appropriate starting point would be like right here. Or not, it just flipped over. Yeah, we don't need any reenactments, or worse reenactments, of high school shop class all over again. Well, it makes for a good lawnmower. Oops. Oh well. They say it's easier to climb uphill than it is to go down it. I believe it. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's exactly where I didn't want it to go. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it come home now. Huh. Darn it, it's stuck in the tree. Give me a moment and I'll try to rescue this thing. Got lucky, recovered it. Now I'm farther away from the river. Hello, drone. Hey, there's the camera, there's some traffic. See if I can make it come towards the content creator. For once, I want you to come to me. Come to Butthead. As they would say on Beavis and Butthead, of course. Yeah, now I figured out how to, stop this thing from going all kinds of crazy and make it stay in front of you. The fat back end, the handle, you want to try to keep that in front of you as much as possible. And of course, use the left stick to steer it and all that nonsense. Let me see if I can try to get this to go away from me and not towards the river this time. I'm not as inept as you think I am. There's some logs that we stacked up at one time when I worked for Caroline. Well, of course, me and Ronnie did anyway, my boy Hunter. Got a cyclist over there. And a Hyundai. Newer version of a Hyundai. Oh, a Tucson. It's not a Santa Fe. Oh, well. Dad would have liked that. A little Tucson. Oh, well. Back to the adventures. Go away from the content creator. Go away from Butthead. I know. Look, everyone, there's my boy Ronnie back there. You can see him. With those big logs down there. Gonna go and make it come in for a landing. That would have been a nice 8 out of 10 landing. Now see if I can't get myself out of some sticky situations here. Sweet. Nice recovery. I rate it 9 out of 10. Now come to the content creator. Come to Butthead. Go away from the content creator. Go away from Butthead. Uh-oh. Oh well, at least it's going wacky above me and not in the river. See if I can't bring her down for a landing. See if I can't bring her down somehow. Some way, somehow. She's coming down for a landing. I'm gonna try to do this myself, and I think I got it. Think I got it. Think I got it. Think I got it. Stop, stop. Go up, 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 up. It stopped. Debating if I want to try to do this one last time or just call it the end. I was having such good luck. I'll try one last time. Forgot I got to turn everything off and then back on again. Sorry for the controller. Oops. Alright, yeah, it just went out of control from out of nowhere. I'm going to try to bring her down. I think that's a sign that the battery's starting to die. Because, as you know, the last time it went out of control like that, the battery was pretty much dead. So I tried to get a little bit more power out of it for a little bit more fun. Yeah, I'm just going to call this done before I lose this thing again, or this thing goes into the Ohio River like it did the last time. So, yeah. This has been Adventure Link. Going to close out this video with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy. Be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. Catch you on the next drone adventure, which is every Friday on this channel.